So good afternoon and welcome back to our second plenary session of the National Seminar on Diagnosis. For this, we have Dr. Sewan Tamdila speaking on urine diagnosis in Swarikpa. May I request him to take his seat on the dais? Thank you, Amjala. And let me briefly talk about his biodata, and here it goes. He was born in 1957 in Tibet, and from 63 to 71, he was a student in Central School for Tibetan Studies, Central School for Tibetans in Dalhousie. Then he joined Tibetan Medical Astro and Institute, Medical and Astro Institute in Dharamsala for his undergrad program, Kachupa. So in Tibet, Swarikpa, we call this Kachupa instead of the usual BAMS or MBBS for that, for the bachelor degree. And then he has his apprenticeship in Bailakubi Tibetan Branch Clinic. And after finishing his apprenticeship, he has worked as a physician assistant as well as physician, stock manager, branch clinic head at the institute. And then he has been a CMO, Chief Medical Officer of the Medzikang branch in Delhi. And then he has earned the MD, or in Tibetan we call this Meramba Chunga, but it is the MD in Swarikpa. And since then he has traveled worldwide, globally, officially, on various grounds, giving talks, participating in workshops, debates, seminars, conferences, especially one of the important new project which came out, Body, Mind, Spirit program. And he has officially joined this program also. And he has also earned the higher degree, I mean, it's equivalent to PhD, which is Meramba Jingwa in 1996. And as a clinician, he has a collaborative studies with AIMS relating to the study of imaging studies, as well as studies related with the cancer, as well as the pulmonary and thoracic diseases. And he has lots of exposures on modern medicine as well. And he has also served as Chief of Pharmacy Department at Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute. And he has also served as the General Secretary and Chief General of TMI. And currently he's a visiting personal physician to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And every day, one thing is he does free consultation from 5 a.m. in the morning, and people lines up. It's a free consultation, never take any fees. And it's not only for the VVIPs, like Indian politicians or anything, any bureaucratics, but also to like general public also. And it is not only in India. He travels around France, Swiss, USA, Australia, Germany. And all the travel tour includes not only consultation work, he also gives talk, and then sometimes having debate and interface with the Western scientists also on various grounds. So may I request Dr. La to start his presentation. So initially he might give you a brief idea, because he has already told us that he wants to brief about the Medzikang, how it works, an introduction to Medzikang, and then which will be followed by the actual presentation on a urine diagnosis. Thank you. Amjala.
Hello, good afternoon, and in good Delhi. And thank you, Tashila, for introduction. So why I'm showing this in the introduction of Tibetan Medical Astro Institute, there's one reason, because I made this, my presentation, according to the students' view, you know. So it's in Tibetan. So Before starting my talks, I just thought that it's better to share the institution where Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute is and how these are functioning and what are the activities doing in this institution in relation to others institution like that. So many of these may be among the Tibetan also. I think few of them been to Dharamsala. They saw Menzikhang building, but not inside what is in Menzikhang and what departments they do have and what their activities are there. So it is just roughly as an idea for all of you to maybe who've been before, Rinpoche knows very well, and many of these here in the doctor, they knows who are from Menzikhang, but many of you are not from Menzikhang too also, I don't know. I haven't seen your face, and I think it's good for you to have a look, So, the institution of this, where I'm working, like a Menzikhang, we generally, Menzi means, Men means medicine, Zi means astrology, or these days we call it astrology, not astroscience. And Khang means house, the house of medicine and astrology. And this institution was established in 1916 by 13th Dalai Lama in Tibet. So after the Chinese occupied in Tibet, many of Tibetans and His Holiness came to India. And then when the first time when His Holiness thought was that to preserve, to promote and the culture of Tibetans is very important for the identity of Tibet. And without preserving and promoting, it will be vanished, as we have a hard time in Chinese, and as you know that Chinese people, what they are doing during Cultural Revolution and like that. Buddhism is already, there are many things has destructed during Cultural Revolution, but still they are a little bit better, but we say that if things are going on, then we lose everything. So, and not only the preserving, but the work and the function of this Sovarikpa as a science of healing is not only for Tibetans, but this is for the humanities, for all people who are suffering, who need it. Because when I go sometimes in the West, Western people, sometimes they say, oh, I'm not Buddhist, can I come to see you or I can get the medicine from you? But we always say, no, Buddha never said it is only for the Buddhism, it is only for Tibetan, or it is not only for India, but this is for whole being, and being in the sense of that even this Tibetan medicine could be given to the dogs when they have a very bad effects of the poison. We give, because this medicine has no poison at all. And these all are medicine are compound with a very reliable, like herbs and ingredient. We sometimes call 7 limbs of the Tibetan medicine. What the material which we use in the medicines are scientifically agreement, and during our Sovarikpa recognition, which we had a meeting here in this, not the same hall, but in another hall, in the same place here in Saranath in 2008. At that time, we have a topic on each of these topics between the Ayurveda and Tibetan medicine, comparatively what are the difference between these two. So during that time, I just talked about the 7 limbs of the ingredient. And then at that time, the chairperson was Dr. Harsh Singh, who was here from Banaras Hindu University. He asked me to stop your talk. Then I was surprised why he's saying like that. Then he told me, did you make this yourself? I said, no, it is in the text. Oh, you people, your text is so advanced. In 7th century, you are talking this topic now, and this is WHO standard. Oh, he was quite surprised. That means the Sovarikpa is no more than a small thing. It's a very precious, So, as I said before, His Holiness' view is more for the future, more for the people, more for the public, more those who really need it, So that knowledge is with us. So we have to share and we have to promote and we have to preserve, So this is the institution where His Holiness re-established in India in 1961, in 23rd March Now, this year it goes into about 55 or 56 years, And this is the overview of the institution. And this is college. In this institution, we have full-fledged, college, medicines, pharmacies, and also for astrology department, and then administration and research center, quality control center, translation center, media medicines, all these are the departments of the institution. And this is the college where generally in the beginning, when we started in 1960, we have not that much students because qualified like that, the very difficulty. This institution was established in a very hard way with one doctor, yes, no or other doctors, only one doctor, which we call Dr. Ishidun is one of the legend doctor, and he was at that time, And then it gradually now we started, and this year we have a 17th batch of students. That means almost 300 students we do have graduated from the institute, but among 300 is no more as a very high figure. Still, it is lacking. But now every year we do have a student for graduating in 17 to 18, 18 to 19, 19 to 20. Now we have built up the students for the space for their studies and boardings and everything. And then that is the main office, and this is pharmacy, and then that one is stop code on the entrance, and this is the backwoods where we do have museum. And then the college enrolled, the study of veterinary medicine is nearly 7 years these days now. Before it was 5 years in theoretical and 1 year for internship. Now the pre-college study is for 1 year more. So that means the modern technology you have to study and also relevant subjects to the medicine, because His Holiness always talks, we need both as an education plus with a good, kind person. The good person comes from where? Education, you can go into the college and studies, and you can get the education, you will be graduated any subject what you study. But to become a good, kind person is very difficult. What is the resources and where it comes from, the kind person? It's a very base or spiritual way, So the relevant subject is also very important to study in Tibetan medicine, because there's a ethical roles in Tibetan medicine about the motivation of the physician means what? Physician should sit only on the chair, or ask for good people to pay good money, or he should look for the destitute patients. So like that, anyhow, the now these days minimum qualification is 10 plus 2. Before it was 7th and 6th like that. In my time, when I was entering into medical student in 1972, at that time I just qualified up to class 6 or 7th, That's why my English is not so good. And I could not improve. And all the subjects what we need to learn from the medicine point of view, astrology, and everything is in Tibetan language. And Tibetan language is these days is one of the very important language which you need to study more who are interested to study about the Buddhism and also medicine and Tibetan cultures like that, because everything is now in our language. But so far we say there's nearly about 2,100 Tibetan texts written in Tibetan language about the Savarikpa medicine. All these are in Tibetan. If you want to study more, if you want to learn some more, then you have to do this and you have to learn the language. Even in our institution, we do have a student from Buriyat who really studied Tibetan medicine, and also from Japan. And these all are also did study about Tibetan language and literature too. So then, as I said before also, the language are mostly teachings, and the professor, they do teach in our own language, and the candidate are on the science background and more on science, And the age limit is very important, you know. Normally in the West, there's no age limited. You can study with a 60 years old person also in the class. Sometimes you need to go. But here, the age limit is very important. For these crucial age, 18 to 25 is the one of the really appropriate age to study, because memorizing too much from the text to remember everything, when you study about the pulse, when you study about the unit examination, and also the text itself is very valuable in day-to-day works. That all the words are what you need to have or what you need to do in your practice. And then college takes new students every 3 or 5 years. Now these years, this time we don't have, every year when we have a graduation, we do have students for the second batch. And these are the few of the activities of the college, you know. You can see about some of these girls and others who are looking on the balls. These are the tests. The examination is not very light and not small, you know. They have to face 3 exams, final, half yearly, and first year, you know. The weekly exam is also there. Then at that time, the exams are coming through the whatever the subject, because to become as a dependent sober requires physician, you have to study on the both way as a full-fledged, not only learning the subject, but you know how to diagnose, you know how to recognize the plant, you know how to make the medicine. In early time in Tibet, there's no special pharmacy where you get buy the medicine, but in the West, the pharmaceutical company is so developed, you don't need to keep any medicine in a home. You just prescribe and let them to go and buy the medicine. But in our systems, this one is one of the very important, as additional medicine is necessary, because we are treating the patient not one for all. One for all means it is something like a medicine which you used to give for every disease what you are suffering. Doesn't matter. But in Tibetan system, the disease are very distinguished according to it nature-wise, type-wise. There are many. So through that way, the medicine also compound in many different ways. And the right on the left side is just for recitation, about oral recitation, you know, text what they have studied have to give the recitation, you know. And then the right one is also similar. Then this is what we do have, sometimes we call about, for the prayer. You know, we used to receive the initiation, empowerment, recitation, meditation. All these are practiced, very important in Tibetan medicine. So this is one of the time when the students are doing this Yuto Nyingti, the prayer, and this is astrology. The astrology is very close to the medicine. Actually, the doctor should know a minimum astrology, because when you apply the treatment for externally, you have to know their individual date of channels and time and everything, you know. When you pick up the herbs, you also need to do that. When you want to compose the herbs also, you need to look for that. So favorable day is very important to compound. And this is what the astrology department normally do for horoscope. And horoscope doing is also live horoscope, is also one of the prevention for disease. Because in horoscope, from your time of birth till the end of your life, forecasting in the horoscope, it's mentioned about your crucial years, from how many years, in 3-4 years, what is your time for health and mental. So if you done these also have mentioned about the solution, what you have to do for these to not to affect the bait or worse, you know. So this is also one way. In the West, especially the necessary for the horoscope, you need to have a very perfect time exact. If you don't have the time exact, then the prediction is not very much correct. That is what we see. Because in the West, we have so many numbers waiting for the astrology for 2, 3 years also. Because of the astrology prediction for them in the previous was so absolutely correct. So there are a lot of demands are there. And this astrologer also do the same study about the for 5 years course, learning in our own language, and also doing not by computer, but they do by the manual. And then the few of these are the objects which we use in astrology, and this is the pharmacy in our institution where we used to make almost 150 different type of the medicine, and these all medicines are formulated in ancient time. And these are the type of this. You can see the shape. How is very many? It looks like a ball as a round. We can make in many different ways, but these are the mostly which we use in our medicine. When the medicine was prepared, there's no any life expiry date. The material, the things which you are using in the medicine, that has a life. You can use within a year, even especially for the herbs and flowers and like that. You cannot use after 1 year. There is no any powers in that using. So once it was compound, there's no any preservative also. If you keep well, it's okay. But you need to keep it out of reach of like humidity, dampness, like that. So these are the herbal products where we do have research department, and these research department do some production because sometimes the patients, they do have difficulty for taking medicine, but we used to make them in as a product form of teas, like teas and some application like that, So far 55 different type of the herbal product which we use. And then these are the machines which we use in the production. This is about the lotion, and these are very important department where the raw materials researching. And these are literacy research where the translation on about the Tibetan medicine books and texts and astrology. But one of the difficulties that the medical terms are very difficulty to use them into as a proper, because in the Western medical terms, as you know, that these are not very perfection to translate to Tibetan exactly, but we are trying. So far, the Gyushi, that 4 tantric texts, 3 of them we had already translated, and 1 of the texts is now going on. So it has also its commentary textbook to translate. Then translation department, this is clinical research, The clinical research is very important. We did research from 96 till now, nearly 10 different subjects for diabetes and also for blood pressure and also for drugs for the cancer and also for other things like hepatitis B, for the virus, for the liver. And also one of the very good achievement from this are the doctors who are doing statistician. They are really very surprised, because the effect of the Tibetan medicine goes down to the bottom, the cause, the root cause of the disease, what we are suffering, not as a superficially. For example, like HB, for like a sugar level, HB1AC is very much controlled by Tibetan medicine. Although your sugar level for fasting and PP maybe go up a little bit, but HB1AC, it was before 2030, it comes into 10, 12 like that. So that means the statistician in the AIMS, Dr. Pandey, who was dealing with us last 20 years, he said, this is a very good, material which you have, because your medicines are making and working as a good grassroots. There's no other medicine who can reduce the HB1AC, very difficulty. But in your medicine for 6 months, it works such things, So it was quite what you call like you feel like proud, and you need to be more in the future, do more research. And same as for blood pressure and same as for liver function. In the beginning, Tibetan medicine was so popular when I was a student in 72 like that, because many hippies are coming at that time. 72 is the hippie time in India, because many of the foreign people who are really hard life, they come to India and have a good fun as a food-wise and also life-wise, and then they are suffering with the jaundice. And then this is hepatitis, jaundice, they are really fierce. So in Tibetan medicine, at that time, our doctor is Dr. Lobsang, she is laughing and she said, okay, 3 days you will get okay. Why you do worries? And from that way, the Tibetan medicine was promoting in the West so much that it is practically working for those diseases which are not curable in the West. Then laboratory, this is where quality control takes place. In these departments, our herbs, our production, everything is controlled with the 2 ways. One with the traditional way, another with the scientific ways. And then learning research center, because of this is a library where we have small library where the student and every doctor can see and look for the literature, what they want. But these are the map of India, you know that, and all these buildings are our branch. We have 56 nowadays, and there are many people who are approaching us to open more and more, you know. But due to the lack of the doctors, lack of, we don't have that much to open more, but we try to be open much more in the future. And same in the West. This is one of the store where we used to keep our medicine, and this is small dispatch sections online, you know, dispatch section, where we used to send by Korea. And some people who are not able to come, and those people who are benefiting by same medicine, they want to continue, but they could not come to Dharamsala to get the medicine. Then for those, we used to send by mail or by post. And then inpatients, very small inpatient, numbers of the patients are 12 beds, but these all are destitute, those who no one is looking after them. So we keep them in our small inpatient room and we treat it and we feeding them freely. And more of the chronic problems. And then these are the export products we do have, as I said before, for the teas like that. And then this is account section, not interesting. This is internal audit section, not interesting. And then this is museum. We do have 2 very big museums. One is in Dharamsala, another one is in Ladakh. So in this museum, they have displayed so many instrumental things which in Tibetan medicine previous time, the surgery is instrumental, textbooks and astrologies and thangas and many related to that, and herbs too. And these are the few events of our institution. The first one was when we celebrate the 50th anniversary years of the institution. The left on my side is His Holiness Dalai Lama. Then that one Sakya Tenzing, when we have this college, 50 years, because college established in June, 2nd June in 1961. The institution was established 23rd of March. So there are few differences. And this blow is for Karmapa Rinpoche, as you know. And another one that on the right side is Himachal Governor, which we have some exhibition, you know, from the culture. And during that time, the governor came to visit the exhibition. And these are some activities related to the Emory University in the USA, where we have exchange of knowledge. They used to come to study some way about Tibetan medicine in Dharamsala, and we also used to give them as an advanced course like that, you know. So these are the few events of the talks given by the Emory doctors, and below are some activities, and also our doctors giving them as courses. And then thank you. So next is about the main subject, you know. I think, do you get bored? Okay, the next one, Tejidar. Oh. So next is almostly in Tibetan. There's nothing in English. As I said, I just prepare for those who are graduating and those who are in internship. So the process for the urine checkup, if you don't know the process, then you don't get the result. So the process is very important, how you do and what way, you know. So as this morning, the doctor who said from the, I think is from Hyderabad, about the pulse, he said how many fingers you need to make your experience for. In our text is more than 100, times you need to practice. Then you can distinguish between the patient with the healthy or unhealthy like that, Similarly, so this is about the similar which I said, and this is what we need when we used to check the urine. There's only two things which you need. These are the stick which you need to stir, and this is the bowl which you need to put the urine inside. So before highlight, I have to say a little bit about the Tibetan medicine. This is about the history of Tibetan medicine goes more than 4,000 years, It is not as a recently developed science. This is very ancient and very old and very renowned science, And the textbook which we are studying is about the Gyushi, which is including all the studies what we needed to become as a doctors, And it has 156 chapters which we have to study. And my talk today is in the fourth section, the fourth chapters among the fourth chapter with the second chapters, fourth section. First tantric, second tantric, third tantric, fourth tantric. And from the fourth tantric, the chapter number 2 is about the diagnosis, So number 1 is about the pulse, number 2 is about the urine. And these are the few quotings which I did. So there is a lot of scholars who has written some books about how to diagnose the urine, and what way, and their experience and their contribution about the science in, 1917s and also in 11th century and 16th and 17th, like that. All this, I don't think you need to describe, but those Tibetans who can read, I think they can read it more easily. And this is one of the books which we published in our institute, where all these scholars' writings are compiled in this book. So if you read in this book, then you learn which of the scholars said what and how, and their experience through the urine. So it is said in the first tantric, in third chapter for the diagnosis, means if you examine properly, you can identify all the disease what you are suffering. Tawa means to look, rekma means to feel, tiva means to investigate or interrogation. So what you need to look from your body as a physician, from the physician body, for what sense of your body can use for looking is for your eyes. So your eyes need to look, So the important part of our body, the sense, many people say the eye is very important. Most important part of our organ is eyes. If you don't have eyes, you cannot go anywhere and you cannot see anything. You can hear a lot of curiosity things, but you cannot see what type of and how they are. But anyhow, in this method of diagnosis, all 5 senses are very much important to be concentrated. So Mikitawachida Chula means you have to look especially in your body's color, structures, and also the your body, color, size. There are many things to see, and even the stool you can see, even the sputum you can see. There are many things to see, and even the vomit what you did. So all these colors to be seen, by your eyes. But more important is that you need to see on 2 things, for the urine and your tongue. So these 2 are the more important subject to be seen by your own eyes, Then this is about the Takpapo Membeng Ngondo, means the physician. Physician does not mean that no responsibility. Physician has a very big responsibility, very big responsibility. It is said in the text, whenever you go to diagnose anything, any patient you are looking, you don't play as a game or you don't think that I am a very learned and I know everything. You should be concentrated much more, or you should be very careful, you know. And then, miso sulim maje dengdelo. Your study is that you are not going to play a game. What you are studying now is for the risk of life of one human being or any of the beings. So you are taking the responsibility of the life of the person for study. So this is not as a very small or not an easy subject or not as a game. You have to be very much deeply motivation, intention should be very good. If you have a good intention, everybody is successful. If you have no intention, then nobody is successful. Because this is what I am saying. During my time, we are 15 students. Half of them left. Half of them didn't finish the exams. So among 15, only 7 of them are passed in the final. 8 of them failed and they could not continue because they lost their willpower. As I said, for study is not easy. So I just wrote here as a picture of the meditation that you need to concentrate for your all organs, your 5 sense of organs. Very important when you look for the urine exams. So, negi madhab lui deva nyange madhab sim deva sa kamse anikhaja tola mayin tax, which means there's 3 words are there. Your body should be healthy. The physician also need a healthy. If you are not healthy, you cannot see your pulse also. As a sick person cannot feel the pulse of the other sick person too. And then you say, your mind should be, you should not be depressed, you should not be anxious, you should overwork, you know. These 2 are one of the very important. Then not only by these 2, you should feel as a very relaxed and enjoy your work, your professional, to see the patient, not as a burden, not as a stress. If you are sitting early morning in the desk and you say, oh, I have to see all these people, oh, I have to hear all these, you know, nonsense things, and different patient comes in different motivation, different moods. So sometimes they make you anger also. So if the physician get angry, then how he can treat it to his patient. So that's why you should feel good, more relaxed, and then see the patient. So these 3 things are very important from the physician side. Beside that, there's also some other things which comes later on. Then this is much more important than from the patient side. For what are the responsibility for patient, you know, we call like some pre-request or preparation, or when you go to see the doctors, independent doctor, a day 1 or 2 before seeing the patient, before seeing the doctor, you should take care of yourself by taking proper meals, proper sleep, proper mentality. If you don't do that, it also affects for you, although you are not sick, but in your body you have 3 humors. You have 3 humors, and any of the foods can be increased. Like in Tibetan medicine, we say 3 functional dysfunctionals: hyper, hypo, disturbance. If they are hyper, it also causes problem. Why the hyper comes? Hyper comes through the diet and behavior, environmental. These also cause you problem. Hypo comes if you are not inactivate yourself, also cause problem. And disturbance also similarly cause with the 3 reasons. So to keep your constitution as a balance, and the urine which you are going to bring to the doctor also needs a very much normal urine. Otherwise, if you have alcohol 2 days continuous, some of the color could be changed, or some of you, if your person's, the person's nature is more in bile, we call a tipa, a nature predominant, because we are in concluding in 6 types of the types. So among the types, you know, some like hot drinks, hard drinks, high proteins, they are bad for us. And some carbohydrates also do affect us to keep in balance. So any of these should not be happened when you keep the urine. So the urine should be very much in order form with the proper precaution of your diet and behavior. So which means like a over and also decisive. And then we call like every urine is not possible to see the urine. The first morning urine is the best urine to see to diagnosis. That means the person who need to go to urinate in the middle of the night, he should not keep this urine first in the middle of the night. He should keep the first morning urine. If he don't go, then he should pee the first stream and he keep the middle stream for the doctor's checkup. So in this case, the foods and behaviors are very important. And then, so what the patient need to do is every should be a very normal and average. Exercise, activity, food, and sleep. So these are also very important for you. If you don't sleep properly at a routine time, that also disturb for you. If your sleep is also no good sound sleep, you also get problem. So what we say now is that your body need a food and your mind need sleep. That means the best medicine for your body to grow or to remain healthy or as you grow better, you need a proper food. If you don't eat food, proper food means proper balanced food. It does not mean that you need to fill up your stomach, but you need to fill as a proper, because your body need all kind of this vitamin, protein, carbohydrate, and many of these. Your body is composed with the 5 elements, which in these elements are related to all the starch, carbohydrate, protein, all these things together. So if you are not in childhood, when you are not properly feeding or you didn't receive proper food, then you become more malnutrition, which means it is bad for your spleen and liver. I have seen so many splenomegaly, which has a spleen increase in AIMS. Every day they do 3 or 4 operations for spleen taking out because of low hemoglobin and iron deposit and due to improper foods with that, So these things are very important, but maximum, minimum doesn't matter, but you need to eat a balanced food. It's important. But for the mental, you need a good rest, as I said before. Also, how much you are in stress doesn't matter. Stress is for everybody's life. We don't define stress is for the poor, stress is for the high, rich people, but it is mainly comes to the individual person's mental, what you call like, sometimes people become very more patient, more understanding. It's only about your mind, how you should take care of those things, And then the time to see the urine. Actually, it said in the text that you can, during emergency time, you can see the urine, even for the pulse also, there's a special time. Early morning, before the sunrise, you should see the pulse of the person before doing any activities. That means his body has not disturbed. Independent medicine, this is very important. Even you see the person's pulse at 9 o'clock, doesn't matter if he didn't went for exercise in the morning like that, if he is in a balance, it's okay. But in emergency case, you can see, but it does not mean that you can get full information, what you needed through the so the time is very important. And then Tuesday means other times is also agreeable to look for the urine and for the pulse, but there should be no disturb, not very hurry, not to see the pulse immediately. And then few of these things, these in the before PowerPoint I show you about the balls. But nowadays, you can see the urine in glass and also bottles. So it should be more in transparent, without color. It's okay. It's good, but it should be well, sterilized. And these type of the balls, you can see colored inside should not be seen in the urine. It can reflect and it can also affect your color of the urine too. And then stirring stick. These are very important. Sometimes says, okay, bring some stick. Okay, I want to see the urine. But whatever stick they used to bring, doesn't matter whether it's in a bunch or whether it's a single, whether it's a rough or low. But in the text, when I read about the one text written by Dawa Tsering, who was one of the cousin brother of the Temergeshi Tenzin Phuntsho, He has written one book lately, very good in about the urine and pulse. In that he mentioned about the Trukje Tsumbu. Tsum means a group. Tsomkang, Tsomjin means a group of people come together or to be gathering, you know. So it says that one stick is not sufficient to stir the urine. You need a bunch of sticks. And the bunch of sticks should be also in a very smooth, should not be thrown or rough. It should be neither single nor double, but it should be 4 or 5 sticks together. But these sort of brooms, which I mentioned in the last, you know, that one is very much right stick, which you use to stir the urine. And then Dursi is about how the urine comes and why you see the urine. So these are something which you don't need to. Then I think this you don't need to translate too much about, and most of the students, they knows about the healthy urine, unhealthy urine, not very necessarily. And then what you see in the urine, you know, and at the fresh urine, and then time pass, and then later on when it gets cold, you know. And on that, what do you see in the type of the colors, the sediment, the bubbles, and also about the smells, you know. And then you see some of the creams which they come in the urine sometimes, not for everybody, like they call albumin. Albumin is many comes those who got a kidney problem. Nephritis syndromes always have this problem. And then cream, which is like a cream means sometimes you call like about this, you know, the paste, or cream means like a milk cream, you know. So these are coming when your body essence inside your body, when they used to melting. For most of these two comes through when you are suffering with a fever related problem with infection, you know. So to these, and then Thangwa means cold urine, what you see, both the colors they do change, you know. So all these things, right now what we do is mostly with very hot urine is very difficult to see with every patient. Yes, but sometimes you can ask for the patient to bring the urine, or sometimes you can say go for pee the urine, and you see on the spot. So information comes with very different ways when you need it, and also appropriate information comes through the time which you predict for the patient to bring the urine. And then these are the special, what you see in the urine when there is coming in this hot time, you know, about the colors. Most of these things, colors also indicate your disease inside. For about the blue color for the lung, yellow for TIPA, liver problem, and white for the packing like that, and then the mix of the color like that. But some particulars are like a coffee color, like a buttermilk color. It's many comes for the infectious disease, for liver problem, like that. And also sometimes when it comes very, you know, with the rainbow. So why you have to stir the urine in near the sun rays, that you can see when you stir the urine, not only stirring, but sometimes you need to be raised up. When you're stirring the urine, then you should raise the water with stick. So that projection comes in your eyes, see some colors, you know. So these mainly comes those who are related with the TIPA and some other of the poisonous stuffs which you had inside. Langbala takus. Tangi dinima tuzuşta mindur wangi tanda mangbuche mindu. Ta dizu mangjeda kiranzo da pejina lok sarwa. Ta ine last del ngi tsikhache jiyorwa di kiranzo tubesuna sams. So due to the lack of time, I'm not going to say most of these things, but few things which I want to mention. Cheda neri khashe pezun shena ta thiba choosing in the within that tangdes ki choosing in the within the yorwa chadeng ki chuni samar la loma la meyo chapa singing the with that dunden singing yorwa tengi chu so mangchata din the tangden da chaden da dungi tein bigi chubda dinzola ta minorita adhikare yorsina ta khashe khashe la nakpuchagi yobaji khashe khashe la yang karesne ani shopti the tima yobadin the yorwa 오다 두어 공루싱에 저들의 지주수로 지차루로 지거와 디니 닝롱길라니 가래 연구에다 로안나로 롱슈에나 롱싱이 나자 지어라 딩에 대세 숙침부지 겹들 왕안저 롱시디 미망제 계란 롱이 나자 둘람나 셈바 디워 메교로지 거기도와 디타원이니 말에 딩아주 고도엔 배툭 루고서와 롱싱인디 롱기 줄람 가지어래 루번 나와 렉자 닝 솔롱라래 루번 나와 렉자 닝 속롱시디 좀바 닝다 속제 나자디에 롱고 서거래 tum부 나자 야제 둔지 동안 롱고 서거다 케메 나자게 롱고 서거래 다시 대시체 송아 가래시나 녀바숨기네 롱니 지길라데 메네네 치바 친딜라데 파네네 베게 레벨라데 뛰었네 라브라 딱 다지게 셰디에 직보 더부더부지래 베게인기 차시 숙심보이베다니 레바디 도부치고 그래서도 야기 디시고 그래서 베베기 케메디 당외 유임베차니 주다디 도복형 그래서 지어라 디스 마다와 줌제디 딘디딘 시작서라고도 다고어디네 코랑코랑 줌제로 마다 레디용도와 제가 자준이 소소소라 따고 캐주 가려요 지어라 소지라신 자이 지나야 차랑라지 줄로 통해서스라브레 차랑라신 증데 심마도베이나 아니 면주 지두고 말와 먼저 맨디게 정말로 간데시 수요래 디 낭로라 가려요 뉴바게 슈지숨 윤데줍디 로투 가려요 로뎁 자요래 뉴뎁 자요래 슈지뎁디 자요래 제자다 딘조 시부지 삼로 땅제 면주 지두 잠바 아니 차랑 라신디 마신바이나 차랑 노버존의 현소도라 할 레빈인 것 셈부인스거와 제자다 디조 마투바 지고에디 개침부시부시 차디거와 제자다 디지고 말에 동기 나제 디조 망제 짜나라 세기리 누기 나제 좀 망제 출어되니 세기리 시즈마다 암지지기 내버지라 디잠바 다 소소그 냠뇽요래 텐데레 베능간주도 부진바이나 다 니마 딱버리시 내버 자스타고레테 야 랑니 내버를 짐버레 따가춘 로투문도와 아 짐버따서 디에 다 소소라 타는 예슈나지 중나 믹세기 사저러부지 구거 니마샤르사 아니 짐바 쉬어 되고요사 티마마 마치 베지 셰담도 우즈나 카리나 장마지 진시에마도 맹가 나라네 베티델라니 짐바테 쉬어 근데 지색스게요 말와죠 근데 자기 망부시부지 구거데 이네다 미소소고 냠용을 통해 가시에도 우지나 빼는가도 우지나 나 짐바시다시라 따투고요 말에 아니 짜랑따 아니 짜이강라따 나라 시르부샤제다 짜랑 가리네 잘다에레 아니 가르자 토용이 나즈디 뇌나라 두민디타에네 잘다고데 잘야 땅아 자지르마스나 자지 딘주 토용의 얘기 냠용디 짜이강은 로요레다 다 자지 입생한테 추나를 두고 가는 추지에 마다오다 용시에 거려만 추다고 지그와 다 거기에 중백하돌라 아니 추키니 쇼슬랍자니 딱이 거레스 다디니 용원 용점다 세비나 나중에 버두스와 난고버니스 개침부 용어스 좀다 응원도 세지도와 암지가 응원도 지구거래 내백원도 지구거래 디 마체바 임바이나 아니 소소랑기 고에게 잘라디 랑톱기 말해시거래 내백원 응원도 딩한주 시라 뉴뉴레 나는 저 생이 암지 다두일라 좀 버리고 온다가 니니고 나칼라 디생미 카왈랍기라고 말와 사지 자트사 통에 야타도 아니 계속 망부시에 대제 생이 누구리 마도지네 소소 수부디 투게기 레간 마도 생이들 딘데 고르시니 시기 말에 신기해요 말 지기해요 말. 다 이내야 암지 소속 신고와 암지 소속 한데지 구구어 시도 좀 다징해라서 룽아 예승부 줘 봐서 지구거래. 니드니에고 사두사고에 안디에 렘보사고에 아니 디 수부마 투고지어 소소 나다 나두 좀 네바마다고 해 딘데 라페데 좀제 망부야. 제가 예수들다 원도도 인지민지 난고 원도 충나 약부요 말해시 다디 간에 냠용을 통해 시거다 아 다디 슈라야 까브레메니 동규 태솜나 아 태솜시나 강셔면기 튜레레서 춘뇌기 수르레스 튜직도 답대 강겹 대체와 대처비 아니 동수 아니 맹아도 독세리다 아말로선라기 라레레 가레레스디 좀 네버찌라미 다 낮에 직대에 해버려버치네 소소면이 땅에기다 섬로도 쇼웨이나 아르디움바다 시지룩바도 땅니 되고도나 아시 땅도 초고요래 이내야 그 낮에 될래야 다 소속이 센더싱이지도와 마도 토제 댕모토비네 질라다버도 센데 주시 또다 주주군나리도 벨레베나로 루예리 마도 베제나 샤야 케마레 제가 코란 가르치기르시는 매 키스기르수 매니 지네 매레리 십시스 아니 가요기 수르들 메니디 독스 루그리 루그리 점바 가요 디 나로 춥다들 메 가리 로체도 대체와 시디 좀 캡체와 어디 메니 트러블 요레스 디 메니 당길람사 딱nga tokpare bujuna arudim badang shiji tukpani khari tanggo thanglungi nazare se bujwa ta thanglungi nazadi cherba 포지르 개강 당내 쪽으로 숨나브래 같이 이내가 포 cher바다 개머저 당외 유래 자주 자타면은 자주 된지도 당외 유여 버렸어 그래 이내양 자주 유생아 차와 유여 땡기 누구래 제가 니네 더우지 임바이나 저거 벽도 라비나 저거 벽에 상마 저거 나서스게 말와 나라서 미드 같이 저거를 포벌라기도 돈다 도도 저거를 남나다 포벌람나 트러버시는 박바레 포버시는 또 제레기 민다죠 포와 추드마 포다 시기도 대세야다 디레다 그 포에 제레기 돈이 지게시거와 제자다 디낭로를 메인도 못하는 게 라면 아루 듬바디 체르바를 룽슈니 저거 벼에 요래 오딱 칼라 마슈올 지니 벼메 요라다 시지 두버디 마슈에 시지 두버 멤베 창링이 스케치시스 요래 암지 가디나 시지 두버 땡년 지거스밀라 먼저는 차로도는 디라즈를 계세리 빼셔 삽디 제가 니능시 진다 아루dim바디 문에 쳇발라 톡버두나 아니 군인염도 독슬루나 아루dim바디 캡처에나 된데 쳇베나 룽쇼웨다 아루dim바디 펜바 요아레시 당기레 어디서 당기도 제가 디즈 문에기 맹아로지레 나라라니데 맹아 인삼부도 다 기난조랑이 때 쉬우베나 직선에 펜도 용시기레 섬스르와 다 디니 추늘라 니용에 버도 포고 쉐딩이 터질레베데 추늘라 니모 마포나 추뚝도 점버와 랑바생에도 간디스다 그래 여 더우지네 통해 여름마도 여면 통해서 개민도와 학바도 암지 gem바 수인에게 잡다도 스키버더라 람상 티디다기도 티 람자 티만 농부도 간에 티 생기지다 대기 말 티달랑바시 람자 예도도와 딱고 너 생기 대대기로와 제 디인데 좀 티만 대랑 간장 좀 디나 따야기 디 여르바 룩스 티만 딘데 제비 중다 식디 중나 베게임바 아니 수디 중나 가레임바 아니 고르베 주나 아니 케마디줄라 아니 나자요바다 케마 종시드바다 키드니 페일din 레시 거와 자다 추투고 갑서 충부응에 버도 차르고서 오다징에 슈에들 충부스데 약바디 뚜구뚜구라 야티스 야 차르시고 디조 티바도와 카셰딘데 네버데네 용구도 암질랑아 티바 나기도 녜 추티보 칸데스나가 미상명아 믹세고 돌락도 스티라고다 다 믹세고 여바쌈기 티바 여바 차바케 요마네 믹세고도 차 메블 용고레스 케랑게 디 존디스 마레스 존디스 에델라 장세르스 라브레 장구임 바세시지다 간조이나 디르와 숭메기 도그라부지 용되기래 숭메시디 좀 일라지세 디요나 텐데 티바 나고다 디 멤버제 세식시도 오요나 디 타뇽라고 겨르와 제가 딘데케 마레스 다 지네 소스 톡보요보다 티바 용도 유디 좀 다 용시 버와 제가 짐바다디 좀 야 차례디 디 암지시 튼데라게 시라는 길에 야 암질라랑 맹아지그래 디 티바 유미 티바 두스 암질라 숭구레 짐베 동네 하구레 이네 차르디 좀바 삼잘라 식지기 유다 식지 도르부디 통구도와 일 학바도 두위는 자주스디 좀바 아니 자기다 도디 이름디 웅그리 시고라다 디저 딘데스타는 마도 통구 말와 제디 개침부를 샤세 다 태좀다 독시 주나 아니 디주 참을다고 디 암지 군줄라게 난게 망제 암지 군줄라 냐노샤 암질라 여와 가두이네게 짐바디 땅 키그레 양 카두글 제탄라 주 짐바식 땅 키실라 따디 소소 톡보여버디 나저디 땡데 톡보스에 돈달라 첸디 차웠다고 해디 개심부레도와 어디에다 기난조 셈나라 샤고 있는 직선에 펜토그레 해삼스와 다디니 니샤수부 추남세 매암니마 강룰라 트랩합세 따나세디다 강님은 딜리데 폴렌네 추시부 용거래 인생지기 사전에 추땅이 용거래 본적 탈마 준지디르는 거라 네버 켄세 네버딘데 요래 짐바디 콘주 남루나 땅 용거래 다 델데니메 티고르다 디 티카고 시우도와 다 이내 양간줄 탑시 개요 말아 짐바도 장무단된 팀마 베티 사우 시우딘데 가시다 나제 닝버들 고르버 팀망고 숨랑 요래 다 식트시는 nga 하고 메로 당부드시 잡투마서 식을 팀마간데 메 하고 메 셴베기 팀마들은 땅 언제 하고 와도지와 제가 고르 팀마데 게지 게탐바요 다 케마다 로아다 아니 포마이 거지요라 무부기 나서 독자들이 캔슬 된데 다 디유디즘바 디 짐바디 테스지 문에기 지 랑신 짐바디 칸델리기도 스타베이나 다 다 짐바디 간주기 메여와 게스트 우리는 탑도 우지나라 테스지 가유도 우지나 루르와 트여점 시드좀 바페티 야코시고 말에 콜레 트 테스 레비나 짐베기 도드랑 시축쿠고 용구도와 딘데 지투비나 양 짐베기 팀은 용도에다 짐베 도파 다에 땅간주나 록지 독지 싱이 다에도 어디 다리버디 다에 들이샤 디니 세담 카주 메바식 두제 티주 땅날 계세스다 세담 카도 메바시들 녀디 니마 디와이나도 세담다 디르게 용구이지 말 제자 거우샤 세지 여러봐 다 딩상 거우샤 디인데 멤버제 세담 날로요나 치세낭 세싱 계지들에다 내가 가리나 치세낭 세 시구르시지 여러봐 점점라야지 까유 낭로 땅도 좀 까유 낭로 그 꾸야데 팀을 람산 통구민도와 제가 디디 좀마다 세담 낭로를 도 가우지나 땅바이나 람산하고도 짐바디기 베나 꾸야도 위는 꾸야 샵수도 바르라도 아니 칼라도 가리미디 람산 세부도 테스지 소소이네다 지 통되버비다야디 게젠도 디니 토메소 춘도 줄지 아니라 잼세지도 아디 가투이네지 당가란저 추조그 최대인데 가도도 와라 삼자디 랍툼나 야구어레 삼고도 미만라 암지다가 도디좀바 가두이네 짜다 추타기어레 아니 칼라다 디주지 아니 메세는 빼는 간도 시계 도좀 렐라부시우도 시계 오르나제 조글람서 이게 당시에 그래 메 마사 라고도 디 락벌 코에 되는 매그네틱 게임 마크시 그래 다 딘조기 테스지 가르라고 그래 간조이는 지 짜다 디나 주고 누구도 와 다디 슈글라니 다르지 두지 세세샤데 뒤저 게스가 gond다 아 테스타 디데도 우지르데 있네 다지데 인지실라 마실라 토네야 테시고 축송아 다 있네 캐나둘라 팬도 유비기 깨져다 우디데 연은이 나 팬도 보야 우중래 다 팬도 메는이 뒤저 돌아침 버링에 gond다 슈에이 다 디네 소설이야 독보 유비기 양 깨져다 우디데 직진이 디네 뒤에 연나 아니 된다까마 가져야래
알레 투조 생각 디워직 슈
오케이 디워직 댐데기 슈도 인다
we'll take up one question at least so not more than that because we are running out of time
다 디나는 얘기 된주다 치주도 디나 셰메르와 가지나 된주 생기도 치주 생기도 녀크다 사버게 댐데기 슈진 다른가 계시에다 여러 디나는 얘기 믹스게 셰메 나 디에 슈 딱이다 매 된주다 치주 생기도 지난 아주 슝로도네다 따구 이리 야야 로소
암슬라 로 트스테 암슬라 아니 치워디 남준에 도고사대 지켜네 ngaran주 menjur juda ko diolina phamamegi jingba chosene dezula pakbene dezula ani phamamabegi jingba mengyamdo jowa chagore la jiksungora antinyamdo ani kapkapchila 부모들이나 라수유라 샴도야고 연주도 소소 징바 초그래라다 근데 이게 라수유 망보절에 아니야 치료도 내가 조독치는 망보시도 임자바 티슈당라야 내부 망보절을 해주라 아니 딘이 갑갑다 하는 거라야다 잠잠 티슈다고 티슈다고다 님은 언지 빼면 도질라 한번님도 망보 대백급 될라야 암질라 갑갑 치주 추기도 와. 아니 혼디인도 좀 봐. 갑갑라다. 야 톡바상에 도치라. 디인도 좀 봐. 아니 딜라 암질라게 공시 가려내라. 치료된 적에 내보다한테 저희 교육을 나야지 내다. 안 저는 유 보면들 유린 인펙션이라 징빈양가 유도 좀 봐. 징보당슬람 선출로 그래. 주말로 인해 되게 부디야 용체네. 아니 미션벌 냥가 지고래라. 유린 인펙션 qabla 망부시 순수여라. 근데 암질라게 디톨라 아니 공시 송로 나셔.
야야 투체는 디 디워디와 디 삼장 아주 시계도 좀 땅이 되는 망부도 가지나 지게가 유린 테라피스인지 요래 지당 제베는 랑진메이 미징 투긴시 즉 세수지 요래 소소 짐바디 소소를 메레스 미 짐바디 투레스 이네 로게 티주스라브레 로게니야 게베나 디 짐바디 뚱규와 마레시그레 말서 수구르 뭐는 캄디야 롱차브르와 다 로게기 낭주기 짐바디 땅안주이나고 낭로라 짱마도 부지기 요르다 부디네 고타 지미세딘데 담마라딘데 신나즈메바다딘데 타이네 체라소소조기 수부기 네다야 낭이딘데 요레 만앙에 요켄다 키난 숙마나지레 페나 시스타이티스 프로블럼 유린 인펙션 디주 망체 타디 이퀄리싱 디주네 용고아디 부디조기 봄이지 요라디 유린 시스타이티스 페 베버 시게 디바이나 제가 딘조다 짐바치 땅가친 딜 추마쇼지 백테리아 디디카두 데발라 라데 아니 짐바 땅가 셴바지도데 코로나야 디쿠고버디 세버레 디 멤베 땅 안주 타다딘데 돈은 망부지 시기르와 지 hepatitis B 생긴다 어딘데다 되는 나저 망부때 권해 요래 딩아는 저기 가르쳐 민슈나는 매와세 개말 고액이 나저디 가래리 그거래 직 뒤니 그거래 직 랑번이 그거래 직 차니 그거래 나는 저 나는 권해 시기 매말 시기거래 유람 가르쳐 주고거래도 좀 아니 뒤니 그거래 로아 TV도 주니래 아니 랑번이 고해디 주저와 아니 다 차니 고해디 다 주저와 망제릭 두수로도 아주 상만 뒤니 그거라 안 주신이 그거와 다 제이나즈 망제와 다 이내게 고디 파마보기 짐바치에 디주테주 망제단다 야 나는 주이나 카셰기다 진이 사구시기도와 나이니 망제 사구 진이슬라고 책디파 포르졸록제 진이 사구세지로와 진이 이미 진베 탕라트 사구 이미 진베 돌았다슬라브레 진이 세디 인주 니와스디 좀 망보당가도 되레 마도고 정화 저부질랑 문제 지기를 말고 슈가라 시라시 말에 사구 생이 진베 독스르와 저 사구니 슈츠 저지니 진베기 나올라 룽다 티베 사구 도카레 아니 가자 데르가보다 아니 가자 내식다 낙자다 끼르고다 어디는 부장디 저 도고도 디오나 다들 다이비티랑르와 제디 인디 딘줄야다 메디 파마모기다 짐바다 지와다 딘데나라 발레타니 사싱이들도 디 페제 아르위디나라 숙세 유기레 만주메기 슝카시 나로라 추세기 메인다 딘데라 테스 딘데 티샤르와 제가 고 나자 메와 딘데 심지 코나 나자 메와다보다 딘데 임베이나 고 페제다나 디기오레 소소그 짐바디 소소그 뚱니 셀 유린 테라피 시즈도 디 소소라 나자 셴바케메네 게치가 아요섬고도 지당 더우딘데 이쁘는 간조 있나 조태 더우딘데 소디 점바 로게 티주기 드니 독든 지혜지여라 디주 나로라 로게 나로게 부우짐바 고레 마도지니 로게 게차버딘데 기디 표시당기 엄마땅 초기 엄마래 딱고고 그런 거라 타징에 라버는 수불 롱말롱세지여라 딘데다 캄지 롱말로 딘데 개바이레 섬기도 이네다 디조 지 단다 지 녜다지 라버는 지랭한 저기 찜바진데 따디 점바 삼로 주고 말은 미다 제다 카드 상먹고 룰라 렉자 짐벌 수분나 누 주베나 차우유나 차와레시고래 장무진이 있나 장와레시고 잠부유나 백인레시고래 렉질라타요레 틸라타요레 돌타요레 달타요레 짐벌 뚝두 잠 틱틱다 숍숍다 쫄쫄시나 카르카리 인시 요르바 다 디저 림베지기 소조기 디지 냠뇨사베네 딜하가에 통해된데 요르바 오 되게지 맨로 야 투체
Thank you, Amjila. So, to do the honors and to thank Amjila for his presentation, may I request our head of department, Dr. Dojdamla, to offer a shawl and appreciation certificate.